How to block and remove ads from Facebook and Messenger app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block and remove ads from Facebook and Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, head over to the bottom right corner and then head over to the settings, that is on the top right corner. It's a gear icon, tap on it. After you do that, you should see Meta Account Center. What we'll do is we'll head over to Meta Account Center, and there if you scroll down under Account Settings, you will see Ad Preferences. Head over to Ad Preferences, and right there you will see advertisers you saw ads from. Now on that section, you can tap on See All to see all of them, and here just select anyone. And after you select anyone, simply on the bottom you'll find ads from this advertiser and hide ads. Tap on hide ads, and as you can see, it may take up to 24 hours. Keep on doing this for all the sites that you want to hide the ads from. After doing that, you can head back and scroll down under ad topics. Under there you will see actually the topic that you might get the ads from. And yeah, that's basically it. And that is how you can block ads on Facebook and Messenger app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.